I've dealt with thinning edges and bald spots for years, so anything that I put on my head has to be safe. Now let's talk about this HerGivenHair Shake and Go 14-inch Coily wig. But first, look at this luxury packaging. Oh my goodness. So I want to talk to you about how I prep this wig from start to finish right out of the box. But first, let's talk about how this wig includes a full care booklet that walks you through maintenance and different styling options. It also comes with an extra wig strap, some extra wig combs, and this beautiful satin bag, which I really appreciated. And this tells me that this wig was designed for security and long-term wear, not just looks. But after unboxing, the first thing I always do is wash the hair before installing. So I'm going in with my Aussie Moist coconut conditioner and apply it all over the wig, making sure the curls are fully coated generously. So continue to coat and coat until the wig is fully coated. And then I like to take my fingers and just rake through each curl, making sure there's no tangles. And what I love about this wig, that it does not shed. And that tells me right there that this is a very high quality wig. So once I get it rinsed off, I take it, put it on my wig stand, and I go ahead and take my wide tooth comb and just generously rake it through. Now let's talk about the cap construction. This wig is a full cap wig. It's not lace. It has 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and a drawstring, which means you can secure it without glue, tape, or tension. And for someone dealing with traction alopecia, that is a big deal. Now, after securing the wig, I like to go in with my water and saturate the wig on the sides and the back and get it fully wet so I can go in with my Camille Rose curling product. And this product right here is going to bring that definition and that pop back in the curls that I love. Just look at how defined these curls are and what that product is doing to the curl. So next I'm going in and just diffusing and drying the hair. This takes me about 20 to 30 minutes to do, and I get the wig about 90% dry. That's simply because I like the shine of the product and I like how defined it makes the curls look when it's not fully dry. Now I'm taking my ORS olive oil sheen just to give it a healthy shine. And what you're seeing now is the wig in its natural state with no heavy manipulation, just soft, defined curls that move naturally. Now I also want to show you how versatile this wig is, because you can wear this wig down or you can pull this wig up into an updo without exposing your edges or creating tension. So let's go ahead and pull it up in an updo. So what you're seeing right here is me just taking some of the curls out, disguising the hairline where the full cap won't show. And I'm just taking some of the hair and pulling it up into a high ponytail. And that is just showing the versatility. And for me, this isn't about hair. It's about finding options that don't cost me my healing. So if you're dealing with thinning edges, bald spot, or traction alopecia, I want you to know that there are safer options out there. And if you don't have this wig, you need to grab your wig today. Just look at how cute this is.